Today we are talking about tankless water heaters. Here is what a tankless water heater looks like installed. You can see I'm pointing at the pressure temperature relief valve and drain line that drains to a floor drain in this application. Here's your fresh air intake. Here's your exhaust. That's for the gas burner inside the unit. You'll note that these are just standard PVC air intake and exhaust pipes. They are not the metal Class B type vent piping. That's because this is a high efficiency tankless hot water heater. And this unit also requires a 120 volt GFCI power supply for the control board. Here is your natural gas supply line with a shutoff valve that goes into the bottom of the unit. Here's a condensate drain line. One of the byproducts of these high efficiency tankless type water heaters is condensate. Here's your red hot water line feeding your house. And here's your cold water line coming into the bottom of the unit. So here's a close-up view of the control pad where you can adjust the temperature settings or turn the unit on and off. This is not a promotional video for Rinnai. This just happens to be the brand I was working on for the filming of this video. So here's a close-up view of your hot and cold water service valves. So you can service this unit once a year. You can also see to the right of the cold water service valve, the pressure temperature relief valve. This particular unit came with the service valves and the PT valve in the box. So here's a comparison side by side of the high efficiency non-condensing technology versus the super high efficiency condensing technologies. You can see which ones are Energy Star qualified, what their energy factor rating is, and if the quick access service valves are included. So here's a view of the internals of this unit. You'll see the blue cold water coming into the primary and secondary heat exchangers and the red hot water going out of the unit. You'll see the blue flames at the top of the heat exchanger there. Those flames will adjust depending on the demand on the unit. In the bottom right hand corner you can see the electronics. And in the top right hand corner the inducer fan motor. And this video again is not a promotional video for any one company or product. But this unit you can purchase it at Home Depot for $1,551. And again, this one is rated for 9 gallons per minute, 160,000 BTUs, and it's rated for interior use. The one that you choose for your house will need to be based on how many people live in your house, how big your house is, do you have a natural gas hookup available. So you can do that research ahead of time, ask a sales associate at the store, or read the literature in the store, on the box, etc., to make sure you get one that's not too big or too small. You do want to do your annual maintenance on these to keep them running well, and that's what those service valves are for, to drain any sediment out, clean them out. It's also a good idea or best practice to install an inline sediment filter and or water softener to help reduce the amount of mineral and scale buildup inside that heat exchanger. Generally, if they are taken care of, they can last even longer than a tank type water heater. But whether you have a tank type water heater or a tankless water heater, it's all about proper maintenance and care. If you install it and forget about it, that may cause the issue a few years down the road. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.